All right. Um, so this one's a little fucking wild here. Because I just hit random. Um, so these are moanable names. Uh, so I'm gonna do my best to accurately reflect um my perspective, I guess. And all right, we'll start with Cody. I don't think Cody, like if a bitch is getting drilled up by a dude named Cody, I don't think it would be. I think it would be mid to be like, oh, Cody, oh, Cody, oh my God, Cody. That doesn't sound like we're gonna put that as a find a pet name. I don't think any of these are all very like Caucasian names. I don't see anything like unique. They're all like Bible names. So, oh, Kevin. Oh, fuck me, Kevin. Oh my God, Kevin, fuck me. That was probably like a you'll do name. Oh my God, Kevin. Oh, Kyle. You should probably legally change. Oh, Kyle. Oh, drill me out, Kyle. That's probably not a. And then we got Justin. Oh, drill me, Justin. Oh, Justin. Just in time, huh? I don't. So I'm gonna have to go on a limb and say that's probably a find a nickname. Oh, Zachary. Oh, I'm about to climax, Zachary. That's. I'm gonna go ahead and put that as the neighbors know your name. Zachary is a powerful name. So they're like, oh, Zachary. They know. John. Oh, John. Oh, John, dig me out, John. That's that's a you'll do. Oh, John. Oh, yes, John. That's probably Robert. Oh, see, no, with Robert, I think it would be like, oh, Robert. Oh, fuck me, Robert. I think it'd be better if it was like, oh, fuck me, Bob. All right. Listening to it out loud, Robert's better than Bob. So I'm still gonna say he needs to find a pet name. None of these names scream throatasm though. Oh, James. Oh, that's probably like a more like. Oh, James. That's like a more you'll do name. Oh, Jonathan. Oh, Jonathan. It's oh, fuck me, Jonathan. Jonathan. That's like a rolls off your tongue kind of. Oh, fuck me, Jonathan. That's like a. That's like a you'll do. Alexander. Oh, Alexander. Oh, Mr. Gustafson. Oh, dig me out, Alexander. That's like Alexander the Great. That's another powerful name. Neighbors know your name with that one. Oh, Anthony. Oh, Anthony. I'm about to climax, Anthony. That's like a Anthony. That's like a you'll do name. Uh. Oh. Oh, Ryan. Oh, hit it raw for me, Ryan. Whoa. Well, that's a Ryan. Oh, Ryan. Oh, finish for me, Ryan. That's like a. I wouldn't be a. If I was a girl, that's not. I'm not going for no Ryan. Oh, Michael. My God, Michael. That's like a. That's a pretty up there name. That's damn near throatgasm. Oh, Michael. David. Oh, David. Oh, my David. Oh, drill me deep, David. Oh, golly God, David. That's like a. That's a neighbor's. That one kind of rolls off the tongue. Oh, Joseph! Oh, Joseph! Oh, Joseph! That's like a. That's another rolls off the tongue kind of name. Christopher is any. That's throatasm. I don't even have to do it. Oh, Matthew! I don't think Matthew is a good. Oh, Matthew! Oh, Matthew! I don't. Oh my God, Matthew! I think it's a you'll do name. That's not that bad. Joshua! Oh, fuck, Joshua! Oh, you're tearing up these guts, Joshua! That's not. That doesn't sound good. We're gonna. Josh is alright, but we should probably change that from Joshua. Tyler! Oh, Tyler! Oh my God, Tyler! It's so deep! Tyler! That's a you'll do name. Oh, Brandon! Oh, Brandon! Oh my God, Brandon! Brandon! That's a neighbors know your name. Oh, Daniel! Oh, Daniel! That's Daniel. Daniel is gonna be a neighbors know your name. Oh my God, Daniel! Don't stop, Daniel! Nicholas! Oh, Nicholas, drill me deep, Nicholas! Oh, drill me so deep, Nicholas! Give me the strength of your nut inside me, Nicholas! That's like a. I'll go ahead and say that's a throatasm. Oh, Jake. Well, that's my middle name, so that can be throatasm too. Andrew, you need to find a pet name. I don't want to go as deep as to say you should change your name, but William. That's. I'm gonna go out on a limb and probably just say William's probably you'll do. So if your name is Kyler Joshua, probably have the bitches call you something else. Alright, so let me use a different word. Okay, have the females call you something else. I don't want to call every female bitch, with that insinuation, but have these women probably call you something else other than Kyler Joshua. Even my name, that's only up there because it's biased, but I've never. Oh, Christopher. Like, that's. I don't want to hear that. Cody, Justin, Robert, Ryan, Andrew. You probably find like a little nickname. Oh, Codester. Oh, just in time. Oh, you pulled out just in time. Robert. Yeah, these are like the basic names, and then these are the names that had a little more roll off the tongue. Yeah, that's that one. What'd you think in the comments?